I'm Belle from Surveybot, and I'm going to go over how to build your survey. So first, I'm in the Surveys tab, and I'm going to click here on Create Survey. Now I need to enter a name for my survey. Belle's Survey Example. Now you'll be asked if you want to connect to your own Facebook page or just use the Surveybot Facebook page. If you want to use your own, you would click here, Yes, and then you would need to select your bot. And if your bot isn't listed, you need to create your new page or sync your pages, which is syncing your Facebook page to the Surveybot platform. If you don't want to use your own Facebook page, you'll be limited in the way you acquire answers, and you won't be able to use your company's branding. I'll do this for now, just to keep it simple. Now I will proceed to design. This is where you want to create your welcome message to give context to your survey. Over here, you'll see objects that you can drag and drop into this middle section here. This is where you edit your messages and questions, and this is a real-time preview of what your survey is going to look like. So let's go ahead and do an example. So in the welcome message, I'll say, "Hello, do you have a few minutes to take my survey?" And I'll go ahead and set up some quick replies, and I will say, "Sure." And I'll also give the respondents the option to say, "No thanks." Now I need to save this message. Now I'll add a question to my survey. So I'll drag this question object here, and now I'll set up my question. So this one will be a multiple choice question. Great, thanks. Where do you prefer to buy clothes? And since this is a multiple choice question, I've given the respondents these options. Always online, sometimes online, or always in store. Now I'll go ahead and save this question. Now I'll add another question. Drag and drop this again, and I'm going to make this question a star rating question. So the question I'm going to ask is, how would you currently rate your online shopping experience? For this question, I'm going to use some logic. There are 4 different types of logic you can use. Jump logic allows you to jump to a specific question when this question is answered, or if the respondent types in keywords. Send logic is used if you only want to send this question based on a respondent's previous answers, or if they answered quiz questions correctly. You can also use answer piping and quiz logic, but those types of logic will be covered in another video. For this example, I want to use send logic because I only want to send this question if the respondent said they always use online shopping or they sometimes use online shopping. So I need to set up the conditions for this logic. So for example, I'm going to say only send this question if they match any of the following conditions. So for question number 2, when it asks where do you prefer to buy clothes, I need to say answer is always online, and I need to add the second condition, answer is sometimes online. So now they're only going to be sent this question of how do you currently rate your online shopping experience if they said they shop online. Now I'll go ahead and save this question. Now I'm going to ask another question. And this one will be focused on the respondents who said they don't do their shopping online. So I'm going to ask, how far are you willing to travel to go to buy clothes? And this is a number question, so they have to respond with a number. And they have to respond in minutes. So I also need to set up logic for this question. So go again to this logic tab here, and I'm going to say, only send this question if, and then I need to set up the conditions. So to question number 2, they had to say, always in a store. And then I can save this question. And now I'll add a final message to my survey so that the respondent knows the survey has concluded. I'm going to say, thanks for taking this survey, and press save. So that's all there is for understanding how to build a survey. If you have any questions, please contact us, and as always, happy surveying.